Hey, fish people, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a cool product spotlight here for you. We've got the Hygger 6-in-1 aquarium maintenance tool here. You can see some of the sneak peeks right there. Before we get into this video, big thank you to Hygger for sending me this product to do a little testing / reviewing on. If you want to get your own, there will be a link down in the description, and it'll be in the pinned comment as well for the video. Now let's get into looking at what's in this box. So once you open your box here, you are greeted with the manual there. This is the HG816 user manual for the Hygger Aquarium cleaning set 6-in-1. First, when you open this up, you've got your wand here. This is the part where you're going to be sticking all your attachments on. The little spring here, along with a little knob that you're going to push on and twist to get that set in. It's going to be good for you people that's got some nice deep tanks you can't get in there with normal products. So you twist this off. This goes in here. Goes in here, like so. So this is the minimum. Tighten that back up. There you go. Here is the minimum length that you can have it at. The handle is 1.95 feet, upwards of 3 feet, just under at 2.95. So you want to make it any longer, you just unscrew this part here. And then you simply pull on your pole. And then you could have a nice longer rod here. Now, for me, I'd probably be keeping this at the lowest setting most of the time. So I'm going to keep it down there. This is super easy to tighten and loosen. Not too crazy to undo that. So, handle is nice and firm here. It's got a squared off edge, so you get a nice grip on that. Whereas if it was a circle the whole way around, your hand would be slipping and sliding. This being a rectangle squared edge gives you a nice grip on there. So the attachment that I like here, we got a nice gravel scooper here. Any of you people with cats out there, this looks like a little mini cat scooper. So to attach this, you see you got your knob right here. You got a hole here and a hole here. So you line this hole up. I'm doing this backwards, so forgive me. So you line the holes up on the bottom here. You're going to push down and give it a turn. You're going to see it's going to lock in right there. So if I undo it, I push down, I turn, it's undone. Push down, turn, it's now locked in. The reason I like this attachment is because if you have stuff stuck down your substrate, you've got fish poop, you've got some mold, you've got some food you want to get out of there, you got something that fell in there, like a big rock or something you want to get out of there, you can stick this on your end, get in there, scoop it out. You're not going to get yourself soaking wet, and you can easily remove things from your tank. It's going to come in good for people that feed certain wafers and things, and then when they've waited about an hour, they want to pull these out of their tanks. This is going to be a great attachment for you, or to just make sure your sand and stuff stays nice and clean on the bottom. Now, the other attachment that I like is you've got a razor. There's a straight razor here. This is going to be for if you've got gunk on the side of your tank, you can scrape the algae off with this or anything else. Got some glue, you've got some silicone when they sealed your tank, you want to get it off, you can scrape it off with this. Same thing, line up the hole on the bottom there. Give it a little twist, and it stays on for you. Get in there with this, scrape it off. Great universal tool there as well. Now, make sure you got the protective shroud on here. You don't want to be handling a very sharp razor without that on. Next, we have a nice net here. This is a very nice soft net for everybody here. When I say soft, I mean this does not hurt my hands at all. Feels like a very nice soft shirt that you might put on, like a nice cotton shirt. This is going to be good if you got to catch some fish, you got to get some stuff out of your tank. The holes are nice and close together. I don't know if you can see that on the camera there. So you're not going to have things that are going to be slipping out of there. And it's just nice and light. You don't want anything rough when you're going to be catching your fish. Same thing. Line up your hole on the bottom with this little notch here. Push down, give it a turn. You're good to go to catch your fish. Or, if you want to catch some butterflies or something with it too. Push down, pull off. Nice and easy. And for you people saying, well, that spring's going to wear out eventually, they throw in a replacement spring along with an Allen wrench to take this spring off and replace it. Next up here, we have something that I think is going to come in very handy for a lot of us here. I think this is going to come in handy for a lot of us. This is an algae sponge here for the corners of your tank. So all of us that have squared off tanks, you put this on. You put it along the corner of your tank. You can rub it, get those corners nice and clean. It's also adjustable, so you can bend it to whatever position you need it. If you want to get in the top corners there and really get in there, you've got that option. You got your standard option, and then you've also got the other option here if you want to go to the corner of your tank and start doing your cleaning there. This is when I'd probably be unloosening this and doing some extending to make sure I can get down in all of those corners. This was one of the pieces I was super excited. This and the little pooper scooper were the two pieces I was most excited for. Because I don't know about you guys, but those creases on our tanks, we got those corners that come together. You might got a hanging mag float or another magnetic float in there to clean them. Very hard to get those edges clean because it's going to want to stop when it hits the side of your tank. This is going to let you get right into those corners, get everything nice and clean. And this sponge is very soft. I've known some people that say they hot rod these. They put a magic eraser on. They take this off and add a magic eraser. Now, unfortunately, they don't give you replacement sponges, but this will probably last you a while anyway. And then the last piece of the puzzle here, you've got your standard cleaner. Same thing. It's another nice little pad there for you to clean things on. Same thing. Line up the hole, push down, give it a little turn, and she locks in place. This is going to be for cleaning the rest of your tank. You could probably use this on the front of your tank too if you want. Spray some of your glass cleaner on there. Aquarium safe glass cleaner, mind you. Get in there and clean the front of your tank kind of like a squeegee as well. Same thing. It's got an adjustable head to it as well. The best part about this is the price. If you go to their Pet Nanny store here, go to your well, type in Pet Nanny. Again, links in the description. You can go over to shop. You can go to Aquarium Cleaner and Water Changer. And it's right here. This whole set is only going to run you about 24 bucks. This is it here in all of its glory. We will also be doing a review very shortly on their automatic aquarium gravel vac system as well. I have one of those to do a test on. So here it is right here. If you guys want to check out the store, again, $23.99, good $24. All the attachments in all their glory: fishnet, gravel rake, right angle sponge, razor blade flat sponge. And then there's also the tube brush attachment here. Was hanging out in the box. I almost missed that. This is going to be good. Get some of those tight spots to clean off if you need them cleaned. Also use this part if you forget to clean your API vials or your test vials and they're a little gunky, stick those in there and clean it right away. So again, big thank you to Hygger for sending this out to me. I love all the different attachments. It's very versatile, easy to use, easy to change. There you can see it extends from 19.7 to 35.4 inches. Again, it's easy to assemble with that nice spring-loaded action there. The nice grip there, it's hard to let go of. And there's the various sizes you can have there: 1.9 feet, 2.7, and then 2.9. Here's what the inside of your box is going to look like, so you can easily store the entire kit in this one convenient box. Super easy to store this. It's not a very thick box, so all you got to do is package it up here. You can easily slide this on a bookcase or under a desk or under your bed, somewhere where you can put this. It's not going to keep getting in the way. Overall, I think this is a wonderful product. I'm super glad Hygger came up with something like this. Give us a nice, versatile, all-in-one thing to clean our tanks, because this has all the options there to help clean your tanks. You get your corners done with this. You get your flats done with this. If you need to catch any fish out before maintenance, you've got your net already on there. For fish people, we can always keep nets. You got some pesky algae on there. You've got your straight razor here. And then, of course, for cleaning your substrates, you have your little pooper scooper. I think this is a wonderful system. Again, big thank you to Hygger for sending this to me to do a little review on. Again, if you want to pick one up, the link is down in the description along with my affiliate link as well. You can also get a discount if you use my discount code, which is super simple. It's just the channel name. It's Lefty3213A. It's going to save you 15% off any purchases you make on the Hygger store there. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. I will put a link to another Hygger review video we've done if you want to check that out. And then, of course, YouTube can select the other one for you. Remember, hit the like button if you did enjoy this, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite attachment to the Hygger 6-in-1 aquarium maintenance kit is, and I'll catch you guys later.